Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the Casekoo Magic Stand Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Casekoo did send this out for review, but as always, everything I share is based on my real-world experience using it. Starting with the unboxing, first thing that catches my eye is the hologram animation of the Magsafe ring, which is really cool. Casekoo actually has really clean premium packaging. Inside the box, you get the case itself and the 2 packs of Casekoo stickers. It's a small thing, but it adds a nice touch to the unboxing experience, especially if you like sticking them on your laptop, water bottle, or storage bins. Let's talk about the design and build. The case has a matte translucent back paired with a textured lychee grain frame. It gives you grip without adding bulk, and it keeps fingerprints and smudges under control. The fit is precise. All the cutouts line up perfectly, including the S Pen slot. It snaps on securely and feels lightweight, which is great because the S25 Ultra is already a big phone. The materials are a mix of polycarbonate, silicone, and synthetic rubber, so you get durability without the heavy, chunky feel. The standout feature here is the patented 360-degree rotating stand. It spins smoothly, works as a ring holder, and adjust horizontally or vertically up to 170 degrees. You also get a full MagSafe compatibility thanks to the Halbach magnetic array, which boosts magnetic strength by about 7 times. That means it works with MagSafe chargers, car mounts, wallets, and key certified wireless chargers. Wireless charging works smoothly, the magnets hold strong, and the raised edges around the camera and screen give you extra peace of mind when placing your phone on different surfaces. The buttons are independently raised and super responsive. They're easy to press, even one-handed, and the anti-slip sides help with the grip. For a phone size like this, that makes a noticeable difference. In real-world use, I tested the magnet in a couple of situations. First, I mounted it in our magnetic car mount in the Sportage, and the magnets held really well. No slipping, even during turns and bumps. I also stuck it onto the fridge while making coffee, and it stayed in place without sliding. For a slim case, the magnetic strength is surprisingly solid. If you're looking for a case that gives you strong protection, a super versatile stand, and full MagSafe compatibility without adding bulk, the Casekoo Magic Stand Pro is a great option. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.